Here's a short video on how to install Arrow and Arrow Studio. So for Arrow, you come to this website here, the crane.arrow-project.org. So once you come to this website, you're going to have a page like this. So the installation will be based on what operating system you're using. If you're using the Linux, then you're going to click the first one. If you're using the Mac OS, you're going to click the second one. If you're using Windows, you're going to click the third one. So for my own system, it's a Windows 64-bit. So I'm going to click the third one. So once I'm here, it just directs me to this place, install Arrow for the first time. So I'm going to click this. So once you click this, it brings you to this page. So it says download Arrow version 4.3.0 for Windows, 79 megabyte and 64-bit. That's a small file. So if I want to download right now, I'm going to click this. So the moment I click this, the downloads just starts, okay? So I already have the download on my desktop for Arrow. So we're going to go to my desktop now. So this is the download for the Arrow. So going to double click on it and the download process will begin. So I say yes. English. If you're using any other language, you can choose, but for me, it's English. Okay. Then these are the public lines information you can read through. If you have the time, when you're done, next, then another next, because it's telling you where it's going to install the Arrow. For my own, it's going to install it in a folder called inside my program file in drive C. So I click next. So sometimes it may be helpful to know where it's installing the Arrow. So next, then these three are checked by default, so you can just leave it that way. So please specify yes or no, then you click. That's if you need a startup option. All right, so for me, accepts default, no need customizing startup. Next, and it's telling you this is the Arrow folder where everything will go to. Then if you don't need it to create a startup menu folder, which I don't really think, you need to not check this, because you would probably need a start menu folder. So just ignore this and just say next. And these are defaults, so you can just leave it this way and say next. But if you can check this, if you wanted to create a quick launch shortcut, but creating a desktop shortcut is good enough. As long as it's here, we can easily click on it to open our Arrow. So you say next, and the installation has begun. Okay, and that is it. Completed. Simple as that. So click finish to exit. That's it. So this is your Arrow. It's already in your desktop. See, the Arrow works okay. So that is it. So save workspace. You have not really done anything. So you can just say no.